Hello everybody and welcome to another exciting episode of Shits and Giggles. My name is Kai.
And I'm Robin.
And Robin, it looks like we're doing...
Schnitzels!
Actually, chicken schnitzel this time.
Chicken!
We did pork schnitzel last time, so now we're going to be doing our chicken schnitzels with some garlic, Parmesan roasted potatoes, and some sauerkraut. Let's get at her, bud.
Okay.
Let's butterfly this puppy. Oh yeah, spread her all out good. Put it in a plastic bag, and guess what, folks? You gotta beat the snot out of it. Make it all thin and skinny like I used to be. Oh, that's looking good. Voila. Then we coat her up in flour. This is so easy, man. Unbelievably easy. Wash it in egg. Be generous. Okay, and we're ready for coating. Now we've mixed all our spices in with the panko, and we're going to coat it all up good. Ho 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 ho. That looks good. It's not even cooked yet. Man. Yeah, almost done. Okay, make sure your oil is real hot, folks. Don't want soggy schnitzels. Sizzling up real good, look. Yeah. Cook her up good. Don't forget to flip it. And who's your daddy?
Hey Robin, we're done.
Hungry again.
Hungry again. That looks really good. Schnitzel,
awesome.
sauerkraut, and roasted garlic potatoes. So
Good job, Kai.
I'm just gonna dig right into here. Try it. Robin, I'm gonna cut you a piece as well. There you go, my friend. Let's try the chicken schnitzel. Here we are. Ooh.
Wow. Well done.
So fresh, fluffy, and they, it's
Complete recipe on YouTube. Subscribe.
I'm still eating.
Follow.
I'm still eating.
And see you next time.